Well, it looks like I did something, boys. So my exhaust part from Jegs has finally come in. It's a 2.5-inch Resonator by Vibrant. It's essentially the same one as I had before, except it's bigger piping, because for this next exhaust setup, I want to go 2.5-inch piping from the cat back. So let's open it up. It's going to look exactly the same, except it's a little bigger. Let's see. Here it is. It's actually significantly bigger, but here's what it looks like inside. But I have to go head over to Muffler Doctor at 1:30, so I'll see you guys when I'm there. Well, I'm on my way to Muffler Doctor, but before that, I'm gonna do this cold start. So this is what it sounds like right now. There is a slight exhaust leak, so it may sound a little bit different from stock 100%, but this is pretty close to how it sounds stock. And for the single exit, I decided I wanted to do the exhaust exit to be on the right side, so there's a little bit of info on that. But yeah, you can kind of hear the exhaust leak right now.
Is that what we're going for?
Looks.
For your YouTube?
Yeah.
I don't want to take a picture of you showing like this. I need to do this. There you go. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
What model is this thing?
Alright, so we're gonna get the first hear of the single exit exhaust. Alright, dude, she sounds so good, man. I can't wait for this to break in fully. Gotta get used to an tip right there, but it's all good. Make sure to come to Muffler Doctor for all your exhaust needs. It sounds way better. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next upload.